Hello, my friend. Welcome to TubeU channel.
Raindrops tap against the window pane, like an old song playing on repeat.
Today, I will tell you how to create a music MTV, a creative path with AI tools. My motto is learning by doing, share for explore. The starting video might not be perfect, but with practice and learning, it will improve over time. This is step-by-step guide, taking you from lyrics to video creation. Let's begin. Here is the procedures. Number 1. Lyrics creation. If you already have lyrics, you can proceed to the next step. If not, start by coming up with a topic or idea. You can then use tools like ChatGPT or DeepSeek to assist you in completing the task. Here is a little tips for you. Provide themes, styles, or emotional keywords as input. Generate lyrics and customize the length and style. Clearly define your requirements and experiment with different approaches. DeepSeek now supporting simple Chinese conversation, often outperforming complex combinations. Using DeepSeek with Chinese is highly recommended for optimal results. However, if you are using English or other languages, ChatGPT is a more suitable choice. In fact, you can combine the strengths of both. For example, you can ask questions in Chinese using DeepSeek, then translate the results into English with ChatGPT. Here is my experience. I asked DeepSeek to write a song for me. Since the official DeepSeek website was experiencing heavy traffic, I switched to the iPhone app instead. I used it to translate the lyrics into English. Then turned to the ChatGPT app to rewrite them in an American style. Now I have both the Chinese and English versions of the lyrics. It's time to move on to the next step. Music generation. Recommended tool, Suno. Steps: input the lyric into Suno. Select music styles, pop, electronic, classical, etc. Tips: test various styles to find the perfect match. With Suno's free version, you can create up to 10 songs per day at no cost. However, these creations are strictly for non-commercial use. If you are looking for more features, you can upgrade to a paid plan. Once your songs are ready, you can listen to them with lyrics and choose your favorite. Essentially, it is like having your own MTV without the visuals. The next step is visual material generation. You can use the song lyrics to create short videos by leveraging text-to-video tools available on various platforms. However, most of these platforms have limitations in their free versions. Below are some noteworthy tools you might want to try. Number 1. 2.1. This is one of the most powerful tools for video generation, especially if you have good hardware. In fact, many free and paid apps use 2.1 as their core engine. I will guide you on how to install it on a local computer. Even with an old GPU like the RTX 2070, it performs quite well. 2. Jimeng AI. Jimeng AI offers daily login bonus points and provides both text-to-video and image-to-video features. It also includes a lip-sync function with various vocal options. 3. MagicLight. MagicLight stands out for its ability to generate longer videos. With the free version, you can create videos up to 5 minutes long, while the paid version allows for up to 30 minutes. It is the longest video generation time I have seen for AI tools so far. MagicLight can analyze your story, divide it into scenes, and automatically generate videos with titles, subtitles, and synchronized dialogue. 4. Kline AI. Kline AI offers monthly credits upon login and produce high-quality videos without watermarks. It also features a high-performance lip-sync function. Many consider Kline is to be one of the best AI video generation tools available. There are also other free and paid video generation tools, such as Vidu AI, Hedra, Jieyue, Monica, and more. Free versions often come with limitations, such as lower video resolution, watermarks, or shorter video durations, while paid versions unlock more powerful features, better quality, longer durations, and faster processing speeds. For testing purposes, the free versions are sufficient, enhancing videos with lip sync to make your videos more engaging.
Raindrops tap against the window pane, like an old song playing on repeat.
You might consider enhancing certain parts using lip sync functionality. This can significantly improve the quality of your video. Here are some tools that excel in the area. 1. Kline AI. As mentioned earlier, Kline is excellent for video generation and lip sync. The useful trick is to use a simple image with a clear face. Generate a lip sync video with a green background, and then download and save the result. 2. MagicLight. MagicLight allows you to adjust scenes and add lip sync. However, this feature is only available in the paid version. 3. Jimeng AI. Jimeng AI lets you create your own digital humanoid character and customize it with different preset voice and expressions. There are plenty of other options as well. The best approach is to use a simple character with a clear face and a green background for optimal results. Creating the final video. Now it is time to bring everything together. By composing and editing the video, users generated materials, enhancing them with lip sync features, and combine them into a cohesive project. With the right tools and techniques, you can create a professional quality video from start to finish. In the field of video editing, I have compiled a table that includes some of the most popular apps, detailing their target users, supported platforms, and whether they offer a free version. The Adobe family is always one of the best choices. Their tools are considered the industry standard in most related fields. For video editing, you can use Premiere Pro, which is highly versatile and powerful. True, it doesn't offer a free version. Another recent standout is CapCut, which has gained popularity as both a free and paid video editing app. It offers similar functionality to Premiere Pro and includes excellent transitions that enhance video quality. DaVinci Resolve is another highly popular option, especially for professionals. Its advanced feature make it a good tool choice for those in the field, though it may be less beginner-friendly. If you are looking for an alternative to those apps, Filmora is a great option. The free version already provides a solid editing experience, but the paid version unlocks additional features, such as AI-powered video generation, text-to-video capabilities, AR voice cloning, and more. Finally, let's move on the last step, editing captions or subtitles to your video. Below, I have listed some of the most popular apps for their purpose, based on insight from AI tools like ChatGPT. Unsurprisingly, Premiere Pro stands out as one of the top choices. It offers an automatic caption generation feature that creates options directly from the video. While the tool is highly accurate, minor adjustments might be needed, especially if the speaker's pronunciation isn't clear in languages like English, Chinese, or other official languages. Another highly popular option is CapCut, which provides a variety of stylish caption templates that blend seamlessly into the video. It also features a powerful auto caption generation tool and supports both iOS and Android platforms, making it a versatile choice for mobile creators. For a default option, YouTube Studio offers an automatic caption feature when you upload your video. However, the results are often less than perfect, so I usually disable this feature and replace it with captions I have generated myself for better accuracy and customization. As for blending captions into an MTV-style video, I'm still undecided. If you have any questions or thoughts on whether captions are necessary for this type of content, feel free to share your feedback. Finally, once your video is ready, you can choose the best platform to upload and share your MTV video with the world. If you find my content help you a little, please consider subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.